Hey guys, this is Misty 2001,
And this is FC7.
and today we're going to show you a healthy version of spring rolls, keto veggie spring rolls. You need Boston Bibb lettuce, but any kind of lettuce works, an avocado, guacamole mix, matchstick carrots, and a cucumber.
So here are most of the ingredients: 2 avocados, a cucumber, matchstick carrots, the Boston Bibb lettuce, and this is the avocado.
The avocado that you're going to use for the guac, period. Cut your avocado lengthwise, making sure not to cut yourself.
No, that would be bad.
Yeah, you know I'm notorious for that. So make sure you pit your avocado.
Get that out of there.
Yeah. Any way you do it's fine. Take the skin off of the avocado by running your spoon around the skin and the avocado meat.
And get that out of there and into the bowl.
Yep.
Yeah.
And actually what you can do is you can add either lemon or lime juice to it to make it stay longer in the refrigerator.
Okay.
So then you mash up your avocado.
Just like you would mashed potatoes.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then I used this kind of guacamole mix, but really any kind of guacamole mix that you can find in the store should work. So then mash it or stir it up again till it's the consistency that you want. I like my guac a little bit chunky, but anything works.
Yeah. So we get that done and onto the cucumber.
So you cut off your ends of the cucumber, cut it in approximately thirds.
And there are 2 separate ways to do this part, right?
Yeah, you can either skin the cucumber or not skin the cucumber. You don't have to with an English cucumber. The skins are usually pretty thin. So, but I did it both ways.
Right. So we'll demonstrate it both ways.
Yep.
The first way is with the skin on.
Yep.
So just make small little strips of cucumber.
Yeah, as thick or as thin as you want. It depends on how much cucumber you really want in it. So then, this is actually easier if the cucumber is whole, but I decided that I wanted to demonstrate it both ways, so.
Right. So just get the skin off of there.
Any way you can. Just get that skin off. And then cut that cucumber lengthwise. You can take out the seeds, but you don't have to.
Right. Do they make a difference in taste?
No.
Then cut it up.
So, cut it as thick or as thin as you want.
And now we start with the Boston Bibb lettuce.
Yep, make sure you wash all your produce to get all the pesticides and stuff off. That and actually doing it this way helps the leaves come off the head a little bit better.
Yeah, I noticed that while you were doing this.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
It is. It is. It's almost like they open up.
Yep. And I think that's the idea of it too.
Okay.
So then they should just easily snap off the head.
You get about 4 or 5 of them.
Yeah.
Per lettuce head.
Per head, yeah.
Get this off.
The smaller ones should actually work for like if you want to make a lettuce salad or something like that.
Yeah.
They'll work too.
So on to the next step.
Yep. Make sure you dry your lettuce really, really well, otherwise your guacamole's gonna slide around on your lettuce leaf. I chose to use a salad spinner.
We finally got this thing out.
Yeah, after months. It actually worked pretty well.
Yeah. But I understand you can also use paper towel to dry the lettuce as well.
Yep, you can also use a clean kitchen towel as well. Anything you have to dry it off will work.
Okay.
So then add your guacamole. You can actually use regular avocado as well. I just thought that making it into guacamole would give it a little bit more flavor.
Good idea.
Yep. Add your matchstick carrots. Make sure not to overfill this, otherwise it won't close when you want to roll it. So then add your cucumber.
So like 3 strips per head, or lettuce?
Yeah, or whatever you'd like.
Lettuce leaf.
Yep, or whatever you'd like. So then fold in the bottom part and roll her up.
And that's pretty much it.
Yep. So be sure to like and subscribe, and any comments, feel free to leave them below.
Thank you for watching.
Have a good night.